Homesite Insurance features, strengths, weaknesses. Homesite Insurance is a major player in the homeowners insurance market, known for its online accessibility and customizable policies. Key features include standard coverage options like dwelling, personal property, liability, and loss of use, but they differentiate themselves with add-ons such as equipment breakdown coverage, service line protection, and identity theft protection. Who is Homesite for? They primarily target tech-savvy homeowners comfortable managing their policies online, as well as individuals seeking a simplified and potentially faster insurance experience. They also appeal to those who prefer bundling options, often providing discounts when combining home and auto insurance. Now, let's dissect the strengths. Homesite shines with its user-friendly online platform, allowing for quick quotes, policy management, and claims filing. Their financial strength ratings are generally solid, reflecting their ability to pay out claims. Customization options are another plus, letting policyholders tailor coverage to their specific needs. Bundling discounts can provide substantial savings, particularly for those insuring multiple assets. However, there are weaknesses to consider. The online-centric approach may not appeal to those who prefer in-person interactions or have complex insurance needs requiring detailed consultation. Customer service reviews can be mixed, with some reporting longer response times compared to competitors with more extensive agent networks. While customization is a strength, navigating the numerous options can be overwhelming for some users. Pricing can be competitive, but it's crucial to compare quotes from multiple providers to ensure you're getting the best value, as premiums can vary significantly depending on location and risk factors. Their claims process, while streamlined online, might lack the personal touch some policyholders prefer during stressful situations. Final thoughts. Homesite Insurance offers a compelling option for digitally inclined homeowners seeking customizable coverage and potential bundling discounts. Their online platform is a significant advantage, simplifying policy management and claims filing. However, potential customers should weigh the convenience of online access against the potential drawbacks of limited in-person support and mixed customer service reviews. Thoroughly research available coverage options, compare quotes from different insurers, and assess your comfort level with managing your policy online before making a decision. Ultimately, Homesite can be a good fit for the right customer, but it's essential to understand both its strengths and weaknesses.